We're back at Annie's today for what I hope is one of the last days of this apartment makeover. We're getting so close. Jackson came with me today. We have so much to do, and it's gonna be a team effort to get the bookshelves covered today because that is a lot of work. Welcome to another Annie Nova apartment makeover, and Annie's gonna be here.
Yay!
She's here. We waited a little while to come back because she has a foster kitty right now. Or I don't know if you call it foster. She's watching it for a friend, so. Yeah. We wanted Kitty to be adjusted before these two crazy white people came in to do stuff in our house. Right after the intro, I'm gonna show you just a few things that go on behind the scenes of all of this that you don't actually see on camera. Look at those chunky paws. Hi, baby. You smell my kitty?
So many smells.
All of the goods.
So many smells.
This is what you already had, and you really liked this jar.
Yes.
But I refilled it for you.
It looks so fancy. Thank you.
And then I put a warning just so that people will know if you light your house on fire, it's not my fault. Okay, so this one you have to close your eyes. Okay, hands out. You can open your eyes now.
Oh my god!
I'm making you throw that one away.
No, I lost it.
Oh my god. What's the kitty's name?
Nori.
We have a litter box. Just temporary. Temporary. Jackson's here. He's working on a clothing rack. He has his job, so he's like in and getting started. So the idea today is to take this down and we're gonna build out a second gallery wall. We're going to cover all of the bookshelves today. We've got a lot of like random projects. I have organizers, some boxes in here to help store all of her clothes. We're gonna build a table out of this. I'll show you that later. Just a lot. We're gonna try and wrap up as much as we can today. Let's get these boxes first. So these are gonna go under here. We're just trying to keep them organized so that you know, like whenever you wanna get into your storage, you know exactly where they are. So
like outerwear / jackets, I guess?
yeah, that's where you organize it however it makes sense for you.
Okay.
And then we have more boxes, so don't worry.
It fits a whole person in there. I fit in there.
Can hide a body in there. Okay, Annie, I will leave you on this job.
Okay.
And then I will start on other thing. I'm gonna start moving your clothes. I'm gonna come back and check on you.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. We are knocking things out. Annie's going to label these. Today is the day if we want to move anything, we'll move it later while our muscles are here. We'll just take it apart and store it because she doesn't need it. After you went to all the trouble of fixing it. We have this table that this was actually a piece that I found in our like garage sale area. I took this piece of wood because I thought it would make a cool table, and I took apart the IKEA hacked coffee table that we did in my living room. So we had extra legs, and Jackson just put the legs on, and we're gonna cover it with contact paper. If we could, it would be better to sand it and paint it, but we're apartment life, can't really do that stuff here. So we have a bunch of different contact paper. It'll be a really great space for her to actually sit down, and you can put your computer on there and like watch TV. I think this was a key part, but we didn't have enough in our budget to buy something, so it's like good halfway point. We're gonna store this way back there. I mean, just for reference, let's just see how, there's a box here, so I can't, there's just one of those boxes, so I can't go all the way, but.
It's like those little sleeping holes in the jjimjilbang.
Jackson's over here. I forgot to tell you guys, this is not staying back in that corner. We're actually have always intended on installing wheels for these so that it's easy to move around. Because the furniture has to stay, Annie's picking out art for the second gallery wall that's going here. Unfortunately, these are the only frames we have left, and we have a mirror, so we're gonna make that work. We're gonna do some doodles. She's been finding, I like the booty. These I also brought from home. We're not using them. We're gonna keep her school books in here. We're trying to keep Annie super organized. Like, what scale of messy, actually? Are you like,
I'm like more messy than dirty, I think.
Yeah, just like you leave your stuff around.
Yeah, just average college student.
Okay.
1 year out hasn't accepted the fact that she's in the real world now.
It's self-awareness. I didn't know what I was.
He put brackets here so they are sturdy.
No, I don't want the small ones.
Sorry, Annie, you don't get the full moving ones. These are more of a left to right guy, but
The thing about the big guys is they're much more bulky.
the base of them.
First, let's just lay it down. First one that's back.
It's incredible how heavy all of this furniture is.
Yeah.
It's insane. No toes? Okay, so yeah, you got especially because you'll just be moving it like from the bed to the lounge.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh, I want to go to the lounge. I mean the bedroom. That's
Are you
great.
doing my accent?
I also thought the stairs were too cramped back here. We tried it and it'll be better if we pull them out rather than, because these doors have to open. You can see how far they open. It won't work on that side. And we just don't really want to move it. What she's gonna do is put all of the stuff that she doesn't need very often, she's gonna switch it and store it back there so that it can just stay closed. And we're gonna put the stairs here. We won't attach them. Oh no, okay. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. We also have these. We're gonna try and disguise this area up here. Annie is working on labeling some things up there, some stuff that fell down, and I'm gonna work on sketching what she saved for me. I was wrong about the mirror. The back is actually not, we're not able to connect it to the wall. It has to be attached with the hook. So we'll put these somewhere else. We'll have to attach those to the tile. So that's okay. We will do that later. And then these we can't use as well because they have to be drilled in. They're really heavy. So we won't use these, but I am gonna take one of the prints, this one, off. So that's what we're gonna try to finish before Jackson gets back. Funky little wall here. We're waiting for the photos to dry. We're getting things finally cleared down. I know it still looks crazy to you guys, but trust me, it's looking so much better. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to attack your water ball. Yeah, so much. All right, this is what we did. Annie just realized I made a terrible mistake. This is supposed to say pizza, pasta, and vino, but I put vine. So we're gonna roll with it. And just pretend it was meant to be. I told Annie if she finds any like prints from magazines over time, she should just swap those out to something better. But it feels a little more cohesive. Yeah, and then you don't notice the break as much. We've cleared it off, so we're gonna do as much as I can get everyone. I'm gonna try and get everybody to go all in and finish the bookshelf today because I don't want to come back and do it alone. It's gonna be so much nicer with having just a little bit of space. Oh, I forgot to show what Annie did. These are the fake plants. I told her she can get more anytime she's at the dollar store because if you're watching this for the first time, that's the air conditioner box. These guys said, oh, I don't think this is gonna be that hard. Why do you think I made sure they were both here today? Jackson has been cutting for us. Now it's our job to start. We're probably gonna stop admittedly and not do anything down here because, yeah, just a big project. I only have one of these. Do you have anything else flat like this? It could be a makeup palette. That would be perfect, actually.
Oh my god, excuse me.
Anna and I took a while to consider what color to do back here. We thought about doing a bold, like a high contrast black or even a white. I actually stumbled across this paper last minute at the Daiso, which is our Korean dollar store. This might be the best thing to go to try and neutralize the space. I'm so glad that we chose this one. Everybody's at work and it's already looking good, but we're having a little difficulty. So Annie's having to add some super glue. She understands she's gonna have to take all of this off when she leaves, but she said that's for future Annie. She said anything's better than blue. This is our pile. So much stuff. I will have to come back and do this solo one day. But I love this. I like these. We have been busy today. You haven't been seeing it, but we've been doing a lot of contact papering. And this is definitely, if you get close up, this is a shitty job because the paper's not sticking. And I keep telling Annie that, and she's like, it's okay. Just, there's no blue. That's what's important. So we didn't finish today. We did as much as we could, but it's really late now, and we still have to commute home. Do you feel like it's finally coming together?
Finally.
Finally. This is what we decided to do. It's not. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I'm not used to having you down here. Oh yeah. You want to lay down? Oh, you like that? Oh my gosh, you little fluff ball. The progress we've made with Annie's, if we can find enough paper, we'll go ahead and I'll cover the insides because those bug me. I think this is the most exciting thing of the day. We made this work. Now you can move it and just lay in bed all day tomorrow and watch TV. We have this little area, so we've got to still come up with that. It just feels so much better. That's all of our trash that we're working on, but still a lot going on in here, but better. And we'll work on making sure it still feels a lot simpler as we go. But I'm happy with the progress. Thank you for helping today.
You're welcome.
I think we're done with Jackson's help, so he's going to exit this series of Annie's, and I'll be back to contact paper. Good night.
Good night.
Bye, kitty. See you next time.